Today in this video, we're gonna take a look at how to fix Snapchat login temporarily disabled. Now when you try to log into your Snapchat and it says that login is temporarily disabled. This could be mainly caused because there is some kind of bug in the system of Snapchat. If that is so, then you need to wait out a couple of hours before you log in again. And by the time that you do it, you can see that you can easily log into your account of Snapchat. So while you wait it out, you can also try out a couple of other things. Try to update the app of Snapchat, open up your Play Store or the App Store and search for Snapchat. Now updating apps helps to fix any kinds of bugs which may be causing that issue also. So if there is an update, make sure you tap on update and update the app. Now the second thing that you can do is to uninstall the app of Snapchat and then again reinstall it. Tap and hold the app of Snapchat and you can now tap on uninstall. After the uninstall is complete, you can again download it and try if that fixes the problem. Now recently Snapchat has also allowed users to log into their accounts using desktops or laptops. So you can quickly open up any web browser on your laptops and then see if you can log in from there. If you still cannot, as I earlier said, this is a bug which is causing that issue which is causing with Snapchat. So you'll need to wait out a couple of hours and you can try logging in. If you guys liked and found this video helpful, make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. If you want more of these videos, make sure to also turn on the notifications to our channel. That's gonna be all for today and I'll be back with more.